We all like to fly our drones wearing an aloha shirt during warm summer evenings. But when the weather gets colder, should you stop flying? Absolutely not. We are here in Oulu, Finland today, and I want to show you 3 tips for flying your drone during the winter conditions, like the Arctic way. So let's head even further north to northern Norway. Let's go. I want you to picture this. You are in an epic landscape somewhere way beyond the Arctic Circle in the north of Norway. You have been hiking 5 kilometers to reach this destination right here. You turn your drone on and you see that you have only 5% of battery left. You did charge all the batteries overnight, didn't you? What happened? My first tip is to keep the batteries warm. They are really sensitive to the cold climate. And in environment like this, you really want to squeeze every bit of energy those tiny little batteries have. So stick the batteries into your pocket and keep them close to your body to have a little bit of heat from your body, preventing the batteries getting cold and losing some energy. Of course, it's a nightmare to be out in the cold and the freezing wind. You might even last shorter time than the already weak batteries. It might even get dangerous. It is really important to keep yourself warm. Instead, one thick piece of clothing, wear layers. Do yourself a favor and leave the cotton socks at home. In fact, do not wear any cotton against your skin. Use merino wool, it's warm even when it's wet. It transfers the moisture away from your skin. You will thank me later. The third and the final tip. Have you ever noted that the first one to freeze are your fingers and your toes? Your body is quite clever. It reduces the circulation of blood to your extremities first, to keep your inner core warm. To fight against this, get yourself a decent pair of gloves. I don't think the brand matters, but I am using the ones which allow me to operate the touchscreen. These ones are from the Heat company. I have the liners and the mittens, so I can regulate the temperature of my hands to some extent. This video would not have been possible without help of Andreas and Timo. I insist you to check out their channels, they produce awesome content. We see you next time on this channel whenever I feel like posting a video. Until then,